My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live, sweet jam.
So this morning I'm doing some garden work. Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Alright, so what I'm doing right here is taking out these corns from here that I harvest from the other day, that I harvest from and didn't harvest from, so that I can plant back some more. So what I'm going to do, alright, let me take this out first. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is to replenish this soil, and instead of planting 4 in each container, I'm taking it down 1 step. And no, you said, Miss, who said it again? Miss Winnie, that I'm to put 2 in each, but I am going to try 3 in each. Now depending on what happens with the 3, then I'll take it down to 2. So I'm going to try 3 first. I had 4 in each, so now I'm taking it down 1 notch. This is some boiling water right here to get rid of some of these stink bugs. Sure. Guys, I'm looking for lizards before I cross the border. I saw one and I was through, and that's how it went. But I'm looking if I see any more. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do now is replenish the soil. I may put the corns in today. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put them in later. I'm not sure. But if I do, I will let you know. So I have some coffee grounds right here that is rich in nitrogen. And I have some kitchen scraps. I'm going to bury all of these inside them. So I am just tilling the soil a little. I leave the horse manure. I need to get it. Alright, so I have a little inside here. I'm going to use it. So I'm basically just tilling the soil a little. This is kind of painful, you know, because, you know, the living people inside the soil, some of them getting damaged. But, oh Lord, what to do? There are so many ants inside them, and generally that's how it is with corns. There are so many ants inside, so I am also going to put some of the diatomaceous earth in this soil, like on top of it. Let me just bury some of this. These are some yam, from skin, sour salt that I juice and leftover, and some eggshell. Nothing much inside here. I think some banana skins in here as well, or banana peel, however you call it. Alright, so I am trying to do better this time with the corns. And so I am planting 3 instead of 4 this time in this bucket, because I can only try things to see what works. Let's see if this will be better. So I'm just going to add some of the horse manure. I'm really just editing in. When I plant the corns and they start to grow, I will add some as a top dressing. Alright, let me get my little bucket. Why this girl wasting the soil? Why I have soil fall into the ground? No, girl. Come on now. This can go down somewhere. I'll put it down somewhere. The liquid fertilizer that I make from kitchen scraps will make up for all of these that are not broken down as it. Move this out the way. I'll throw out all of this because I have some more that I need to use up, because you can see mold was growing. Spread this. And you know that corns, they are heavy nitrogen feeders. So I'm going to try to get some peas in, or beans with them. Yeah, the beans will help fix the nitrogen in the soil. Alrighty. Alright, so that is that. Let me just put some of the diatomaceous earth on top of here. What I love with this, it doesn't affect my wiggly worms. The stink bugs, they are everywhere, but they are mainly on magungu or pigeon peas. I am just merely skimming them off in the water, and that's instant perish. Of course, I'm not going to get all of them at once, but constantly doing it, it will cause them not to breed up so often. Alright, that one fell. Your turn. Where are you? Alright, you're filling. Alright, so a lot of the population is cut down today. I can get some more tomorrow because again they fly when they see as well. Guys, sometimes I feel as though that this garden is making up for all the pest issue I didn't have in my previous garden. Believe you me, I used to have pest problem, but not so much, and I never usually have problem with slugs. Nope. I don't know if it's because that backyard was in the open. Believe you me, these that you're looking at, I check them, you know. I'm not going to say I check them every day, but I check them often. It looks like I just have to check them every day, and that is not possible because sometimes I really cannot. Like if I miss a day without checking them, this is what they do. Everywhere I put them is the same thing. Problem now with the diatomaceous earth, in my opinion, I really think it works, you know. But when I have the little rains, I don't think it is getting a fair chance. But I'm still adding it, just adding some underneath the leaves, because really and truly that's where they frequent. I hope you can see. You see it right there? Yes. They come in my soil, and I never used to have this issue where I was before. And they just eat down, they just eat down, they just eat down. Just going to crush this one with my foot. So that is why I put the diatomaceous earth in the soil. This needs to replenish. Oh, seems like none in there, man. I should have loaded it up before I come out here. Oh, I need to mold up my corns right here. I think they need a firmer foundation. You know what I'm going to do? Let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to transplant them. Yeah, I'm actually going to root them up and put them deeper in the soil. I'm going to do it later in the evening, God's willing, so that they can have a better foundation, a more solid one. Oh, I need to take out this cucumber right here. Whew, look at the roots. Spreading its wings. Well, spread its wings. You see the root, guys? Look at here. Still don't come out yet, you know. Oh, and it pop. It still don't come out fully all together. See more around there. So this cucumber gone home. So the next time you see my garden, you won't see it. Alright, so inside here I have some overripe banana. So not just the skin, banana. You can actually get overripe bananas to buy, because you have some people, they're not dropping the price no matter what. And so the banana ripe upon them and they have to sell it out. Some people will give you, but not everyone will in these times. So if you don't put anything in your liquid fertilizer, make sure you put some banana skin. If you can get the overripe ones to put in there, put it in there. Very, very beneficial for your plants. Alright, so usually I make my banana water different from my liquid fertilizer, but gone are the days. I just put everything together. So this I'm just going to add to what I already have inside here. Of course, I could peel them off and use just the peel or the skin, and then use the bananas to make smoothie. But if you want to see your garden thrive, you have to do some of these things. It's an investment. Growing organically will in turn benefit you and your family and friends by extension. Alright, so yeah, I'm just open it up like so. I recommend you're dealing with this, wear a mask. How comes you miss, girl? How comes you miss these ones? Alright, so I'm making sure that I do the right thing. Get my string in together properly. Alright. Yeah. Alright, my gardening family. So I've been listening to you. I have been taking notes. And I hear you loud and clear. And I thank you all so much, because I really appreciate the time you invest in leaving me a comment with your suggestions and recommendations. I sincerely appreciate it, guys, and I appreciate you one and all. Alright, so Miss Weave It, you specifically told me, Stacey, make some sort of scoop for the slugs. Put on the end of the stick so that you can scoop them in, get them in one place and salt them. And I absolutely love that suggestion. I'm going to use this oil bottle. I didn't wash it out yet, you know? I completely forgot. But I can wash it out after. So I am going to actually stuff this inside here, so. But let me see if I can make the scoop side of it first. Abby suggested that I get a cup and put the salt in. Just put them in there. Use as well. Abby told me to use a scoop as well. I just remember. Abby, instead of using a cup, because I don't want to hold that in my hand. I don't want to hold it. So I'm going to use those sanitary plates. Just add the salt to it. Each time I take up one, I just put it in there, and then I can just use the shovel now, take up the plate and put it in the bin. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you one and all. Alright, back to this. You may not be seeing what I'm doing down here, so I'm basically just trying to get this top cut off. So give me a second, I'll be back. I'll be right back with you. I'll be back with you. Guys, if you see the foolishness what I'm doing, you cry creep. Alright, that's better. So now I can cut it properly. Oh man, I have to use the knife. I have to use the knife. Alright. Then this not easier. Girl, you act up yourself. You're acting up for no apparent reason. My gardening family, what I did was to cut out this from here like that and stuck the stick inside here. and then I realized the recording had stopped, so I come back to show you. So this is how it is looking. I'm actually going to test it tonight to see how it works. I don't really want to see no slugs, you know. But I hope I can get to show you though. Alright, my gardening family, so I am out and about, ready to try my new tool. Yeah. So this is the plate that I'm going to use. Put the salt in. Alright. Use this. I really don't want to find any. I really don't want to. I don't think I'm going to be on the search tonight. I'm really not feeling it. So if I see one, that's just the one we'll be testing this thing with. If I don't see any, all the merrier. Well, I am happy that I'm not seeing any. I am super happy. This is the usual time of me coming out. Oh, I speak too soon. See one right here, so. And guys, believe you me, I'm not going to search for anymore. Like I said, maybe in the early morning, but not right now. I'm not feeling it. Let me zoom in a little. Yeah, I think you can see it now. So let me try it out. All right, working. Yeah. So let's get it in the salt. Now I'm kind of tempted to look for some a little, but guys, early morning it is, God's willing. All right, see there, curling up. All right, there we go. All right guys, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.